Good morning, Alexis. Congratulations. This is your F150. So it is the FX4 fully loaded. We'll go around this thing and kind of point out. It's got the light bar in the front, aftermarket bumper, LED daytime running light headlights, KMC wheels with Falcon Wild Peak tires, about 95% tread, all paint to match door handles and mirrors. This has a 6.2 liter V8 in it. Backup sensors. It's got the hard bed cover. This thing is like immaculate. There's no words to describe the overall condition of this truck. You've got the two-tone seats, black and leather, the F150 all-season mats, power running boards, memory seating, upgraded Sony audio system, power folding mirrors, so we got power windows, power locks, we've got the power sunroof. Inside we have heated and cooled seats, navigation, Bluetooth, built-in brake controller. I mean, the inside is just immaculately clean, so very good shape. Anyways, this is it. This is your truck. We'll see you on Thursday. Again, congratulations, and we'll talk to you soon.